Moth. Run! Go! Run! Why? Hold on! They're really leaving me! Hold on! Wait! Wait! Where are we going? Where are we going? I was asleep! Why did you guys wake me up?
Because you were sleeping. You were taking too long.
Where are we?
Bye. Bye.
No! No! Hey! Let's go! Road trip! Road trip! You already know we had to make a pit stop at Five Below.
Because
Where are we at? Because what do we need?
We need some river shoes.
River shoes.
That's the only little clip that we could tell you.
If you have an idea to where we are going, comment down below because we don't know where we're going. I mean, I don't know where I'm going.
Let's go, guys.
All right.
This is a place to buy river shoes, guys. We went to all the Five Below.
And they're only $5. I'm gonna go with the
Medium.
regular black ones because I am a basic person. They look like ballerina shoes. When we going to a ballerina dance?
All right, come on, let's go. Let's go. Should you clean my windshield?
We are going.
Oh! And go ahead, madam. What's your name?
My name is
Oh, these are cool.
Slippery Wavy Kimmy.
Slippery, wavy Kimmy.
You want some free windshield cleaners?
How much do you charge?
No, just a regular black price.
How much is the regular price?
I can't say because there's a lot of people. Sir, my job, my duty is to leave these. Okay, do it one more time. That's a wrap, guys. I'll see you at the road trip. We're excited to go to this road trip.
All right, guys. So you guys are gonna tag along with us, and we're going. We're leaving already. All right.
The flight took forever.
It really did. It took us like
so here we go.
3 hours to get here.
No, it took like almost 4. No, it took like 5
It took
because
5.
we had to stop
pissed
restroom.
Yeah, pissed off.
Ready? 1, 2,
3.
Katie Mom! What it is? What's up? Got Katie back on the screen. What's up, guys? My name's Kimberly.
My name is Des.
I'm Mia.
This is Zane. This is Zane. Zane, let's say hi. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the Katie Mom. Say hi, guys.
Alright, guys, so if you don't know where we are at, we are
At Vegas.
Look at the view. Look at the view. It's amazing.
okay, we got a $500 view. Alright, guys, so this is probably one of the best views in Vegas.
And-
I'll show you.
And all we see is Trump.
Look at this beautiful view.
Who wants to see Trump?
Oh, alright, guys, that is our beautiful view for the night.
It's okay. It's a beautiful view of the pool, huh?
Beautiful view.
Beautiful.
Alright, guys, so this was a planned vacation that we wanted to do.
Part
one.
one, yeah,
There's
part
2 parts.
one. Yeah, that's true. We didn't even tell you guys where exactly we're at, but we're at Circus Circus, and I want you guys to tag along to our adventure because there's an adventure at Circus Circus. I don't know if you guys have ever been to Circus Circus. Comment down below if you guys have.
Yeah, and if you guys are bored at home, you guys are here with us having fun. So don't worry about it. We got you guys.
Yep, guys.
If you guys haven't been to Vegas, well, here it goes.
And we'll show you guys the strip, the Vegas Strip. We'll show you guys.
We'll show you little clips, like a little movie.
You've been to Vegas, and people that live, you know, out of state and stuff like that, you guys will see how Vegas is, and you get to come and, like, you know, experience it your guys yourselves. And I hope you guys do stay tuned, and we love you guys.
And also, after this, we're gonna stay one night, and we're not gonna say what we're gonna go next.
Yeah,
so
we have another venture.
Another adventure. So stay with us on this night or this whole trip. And we love you guys, and we'll see you throughout Vegas.
Yep.
Alright guys, peace. Alright guys, we are back, and we are
Dolled up.
all dolled up right now.
Look at this. Hey.
Alright, so we are out eating on the strip, and they made this place, I guess, accordingly after my name.
Kimchi,
and they got inspired by me.
And by the way, guys, I used to actually call her that when she was younger. I would say kimchi.
She would say, she would say
I would
kimchi.
always call her that.
We are eating
Show them the place.
at a kimchi place. Oh, it's Korean barbecue.
Korean barbecue, guys.
Famous kimchi Korean barbecue. This place gotta be good, cause I mean I'm good, so this place got to be good. It's gonna be a snack like me. How hot is it out here?
Super hot. I'm like sweating.
We
like,
are pouring sweat. It's like 100 something out here. 104. We are burning. All right, guys. So we are walking down the strip right now. So if you haven't been to Vegas, don't worry. We got you guys. You guys can look at all these lights with us and just enjoy this video. Enjoy your time at Vegas with us. So if you haven't been here, this is what it looks like. Bunch of lights, full of people, full of cars.
And bomb stores.
Yeah, really good stores. We got the Gucci store. Whoa! Where's this wind coming from? Wait! This is dangerous! Wait, retreat! Let's retreat back to the hotel! Retreat! We gotta go back. Oh my god. That was it hit me like a truck! Not a real truck, guys. That was really bad.
That was bad. It felt
If
like
you-
a freaking a tornado. Like a tornado.
It felt like a tornado.
Wait.
Wait! I think this is not safe. I don't think this is safe to be out here. Wait, we came on a wrong day, I think.
We hurt.
Look at my hair!
Dan. Like, I don't know. Can't even see my hair.
Oh my gosh. This is bad. This is bad. What is going on?
Over there, it wasn't like this. Okay, guys.
It was calm. It was calm out of nowhere.
This is called Vegas gone wrong.
Vegas gone wrong, guys.
Freaking legs are hurting from the dirt.
Oh my gosh.
The dirt's picking up and it's hurting my legs, like the rocks and everything.
I think I got rocks in my eyes.
Me too. I got rocks in my hair.
Guys, if you come to Vegas, make sure it's not like this, because this is bad.
It's 104 and there's like
it's
high winds.
High winds.
Nowhere.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's crazy. And poor babies.
Guys, you can see the winds. You can see the strong winds out here. Oh no. Oh no. And then all of a sudden it's kind of calm in certain areas.
That's weird.
It's weird.
I think that like area is not wanted with people. It's like haunted.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you a little scoop of how Vegas looks and how the strip looks.
Yeah.
So we'll be back. Alright guys, so we are gonna go back to the hotel because we cannot stay in any longer in the strip.
Guys, I have false, not like, yeah.
We can't even walk halfway.
Can't even see.
We can't.
Look at my lashes.
Look, they're coming off. Hold your kids.
Hold my lashes.
All right, guys. So we're gonna see you back in the hotel. This is bad.
Look at
there's
this
thunder.
hair. Look at the hair.
There's thunder and there's rain coming our way. So
Yeah.
we gotta just go back and call it a wrap for tonight.
There it goes.
Hold on to your kid. Hold on to your kid. Almost died. Run! We gotta run back to the hotel. We gotta run back. We cannot do this. Almost blew away.
It's hurting my feet so bad.
Alright guys, this is the worst idea to come walk on the strip like this. Katie Mom, stay in your home. Stay in your home. This is bad.
We have to run.
Alright, we're gonna start running now, guys. So we'll see you at the hotel. We're walking backwards. We're walking backwards. Oh, look at that thunderstorm. Oh, look at this. This is bad. Make sure. Oh, make sure. Everybody, make sure to subscribe to the Katie Mom. We're almost there.
Show them where Circus Circus is at.
Circus is over there, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but our hotel's over there. And we gotta run. We gotta run because the kids are with us.
Guys.
It hurts.
It really hurts.
It's like rocks.
Like rocks, dirt, everything that's on the floor, it just picks up and swings at you. And look at this hair.
Oh my gosh, there's thunder. Guys, people are walking on the strip still, and we already made it to our hotel, but they're walking out here like it's sunny out here. Like
it's good weather.
like it's good weather. And we're over here running. We're probably the only ones running on the strip. Look, look, look. Example 1. They just walking. And these people over here are just sitting. Guys, look at his shirt. Full of dirt. He's a little dusty there. It's okay. That's how you know it was windy. You got it in your eyes? Yeah, I can't really hear. You guys are probably not gonna get to hear me, but
It's a thunderstorm, guys.
people are just walking. They're strolling out here.
They want to get striked.
They want to get striked out. We ain't getting striked out.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm
What's up, guys? We are back.
And we're back in the room, guys.
Yeah, we're back at the hotel. We had a long day today, so I am exhausted. But, you know, we have to talk to you guys what happened.
It was so crazy.
It was crazy. We were walking down the strip of Las Vegas, and out of nowhere, when we were walking, there was wind and
Out of
thunder
nowhere.
and rain. A little bit of rain, sprinkle. But out of nowhere, it was a thunderstorm. Yeah.
And my husband was the one that told me, like, when we were walking halfway through the strip, he was like, oh yeah, babe, by the way, on the weather, there was supposedly gonna be a thunderstorm this, like, I guess today and tomorrow maybe. And I was like, what the, like, why didn't you just tell me? Because we had the kids, and like, oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know if you've seen the footage or anything.
Yeah, you're gonna,
Like,
you
our
saw the footage.
kids, like, I feel so bad.
We were
because-
running. Our hair was in our face like this. We crazy.
And what was crazy is that literally like the wind, like when it picked up, it felt like a tornado.
Yeah.
Like literally a tornado. It picked up all like the freaking like sand and like dirt, everything, and then like it like flew on us. Like it was crazy.
You guys got the full experience,
gosh.
KD Mob,
And we didn't want to give a bad experience though, like to the people, like the viewers out there. You know, you guys are viewing, you know, Mob, like that
about Vegas.
Vegas, yeah, because Vegas isn't like this. Vegas is usually
in the
like,
morning
very...
it's beautiful.
No, at night is
at night it's beautiful too. But today was just
in the lights and the strip.
Today was just crazy.
Yeah, we had Vegas gone wrong.
Yeah, but we had a good day. We went to Circus Circus where we are staying, and there's like arcades, so we took the kids there and we had fun.
We were able to be kids again, pretty much.
Yeah,
like, I do miss being a kid. I don't know if anybody out there misses being a kid. I don't like having all these responsibilities.
Yeah,
being an adult and everything, it's not fun. But hey guys, if you guys are kids out there, enjoy your life.
Yes,
okay,
enjoy your life.
You
and
understand.
also make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join KD Mob if you haven't already, because you guys are missing out on these litty videos. Also, we did something in Vegas that we are not going to talk about, but we'll talk about it next video.
Vlog.
So stay tuned for that video, because it's about to be fire. Alright, so
guys.
we're going to call it a night tonight, and we'll see you back on the next video.